Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap El Centro local and long distance movers near me. When you need to move to a new city or state, you need the right long distance movers. This is a big move and can be rather scary. The right movers will take the fear away and help make moving so much easier. We offer all the necessary moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you hire a California moving company, you might struggle to justify the cost. It's easy to think a short local move is something you can handle yourself. However, when you do this yourself, you have to pay to rent a truck, load everything up yourself, drive your items to your new destination, and unload everything. Of course, you also have to handle the packing and the unpacking. With the professional moving companies such as 3 Movers, you can avoid the hassle. We save you time and do all the heavy lifting for you. Our team can even do the packing and unpacking if you prefer. A move that might take you several days to complete, we can have done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our El Centro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.